Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. TG here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my new garden set from B&Q. So this is the Moorea seating set by GoodHome, which is B&Q's own brand. It's an aluminium frame and it comes with the cushions as well. Also comes with a 5-year guarantee and seats up to 4 people. Also, if you just want to zoom in there, Paul, there is also the dimensions of the seating set separately. Right then, let's get this out of the box. Right, so then let's start looking through the bits we got in the box here. So we've got the cushion pads, all individually wrapped. Part of the table. Got some more cushions there. Right, next is the main frame for the double seat. By the looks of it, they've cable tied it to the single seat on the bottom there. And finally, we have the fixings, all nicely laid out there, look. Right, so we've got everything out in the box. As you can see, that's all the cushions, tabletop, the legs there to go onto the tabletop, 2 chairs and the double seater. The double seater does actually come with this metal bar. I thought was part of the seating. It actually turns out it's just a shipping thing to stop it from bending in when it's in the box. So that one can be disposed of. So next up, we've got to construct the seats. Now literally they're all put together. The only thing we have to do is lift these up and line them up with the screw holes there with the appropriate washers and screws all laid out in the pack there, very simply. So you can see what you've got to do, and they just literally go through each one. We don't need no tools. All you need is an Allen key, which it comes with. So no need for screwdrivers or anything more. Right, so we got that screw there. We've got to put a washer over that one. We then got a plastic washer that goes between the 2 metal bits. Pop this back up. Goes through that one there. And there. Pull it back out a little bit. It's a little bit fiddly, this. Probably best just hand tightening it. And then for the final bit, just use the Allen key there just to get that grip a little bit more. Plastic cap now. Pop that one over. Assembling the table now. Well, I've already done one end there, as you can see. And onto this one. The longer screws goes in these ones here. The shorter screws go through the big ones there. And then just tighten it up. So that's it. It's all complete and put together. Taken me about 10 minutes in total to do on my own. A little bit fiddly with the Allen key, but other than that, it was really simple. So right, let's get it out in the garden and get the cushions on. Let's get the cushions on. So if you can see the bigger ones, the non-slip pads on the bottom, stop them sliding off the chairs. Right, there's the backs. There we go. Right, so I'm going to give it a little test. Oh, that is quite firm, that. But I think it'll probably bed in over time. The back's a bit softer, but the base seat's quite firm. It's quite low, yeah. But I'm quite tall, so I can't imagine many people are going to be too much taller than me, but it's quite comfy. In all fairness, it's pretty sturdy, isn't it? Moving on to the colour, it's slate colour. Bit of a lighter colour on there, but compared to that, that's like an anthracite colour. So yeah, probably a slate grey. Right, so these covers are water repellent, can be removed and put in the washing machine and washed at 30 degrees. As you can see, they just unzip there easily enough. But they have got like a waterproof lining on them as well, look. Right, so we picked this up from B&Q. It's marked up at £500, but we got 25% off. So it made it quite a good price for it really, but I recommend nobody to pay £500 for it. Basically always buy it when it's on sale, because I would not pay £500 for this one. It's worth what we paid because it is nice and sturdy, it's a nice colour, it's all your modern greys what's in at the moment, so definitely get it if it's in a sale. Right, so that's your lot for today. I'm very happy with these. If you like what you see, then give me a thumbs up and a subscription would be great. Catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.